Hi, this is Janice. I thought I would do a screencast for this assignment. I figured it would be easier for me to explain what I did to come up with my answers than to type it out. So here we go. So we have King Tut up here at the top. He's a square. That means it's a male. And then the circles are female. So we are looking to find his parents first of all. We're given the alleles for each locus, and we need to find a male and a female that he received these numbers from. Okay, so I started on this side first. All right, and so he has two 23s, so we're only looking for the number 23 down here. This one does not have one, so we know that this is not one of his parents. If it was, then he would either have a 25 or a 20 there. So we're going to scratch this person out. That is not one of his parents. Okay, there's no 23 here either, so this is not one of his parents. No 23 there. So we have a choice between two males and one female, so this is going to be his mom by process of elimination. See, she has the 23 there, like he does. A 6 and a 12 up here. She has a 6 and a 12. He had a 19. She has a 19. 8 and a 13. She's got an 8. 29 and 34. She has a 29, and so on and so forth. So all of those numbers match up. He inherited at least, well, one of these from her in each locus. Okay, so we're just going to label her. This is his mom. Okay, and so one of these is the dad. So there's the 23. There's the 23. They're still both in the running. He has a 6 and a 12. There's a 6. There's a 12. Still both in the running. Now, he has a 19 here. This one does not have a 19, so this is not his dad. So we will scratch him off. And this is the dad. I'm not going to show you how I did the whole thing, because if you haven't done it yet, I'll leave that for you, because it's really kind of fun, I think, to go through this and figure it out. In fact, this is my favorite assignment that we've done so far. Being a family history nut, it really is fun for me especially. But so if I said anything wrong or did anything that you disagree with, please let me know, and maybe you can help teach me a little bit. But just continue on. What I did was I printed it out on paper, and then I just lightly circled all these numbers, and then so when I went to do the next person, I just erased them, so I had a clean sheet, and then I just scratched off the ones I knew already. So I don't need Tut anymore, so I scratched him off. But I erased, I erased everyone else, and then I started on the mom down here, and I found the numbers that matched her. So that's just how I did it. It was easier for me. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks.